Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kinza Shaukat. I'm lecturer of English at Kent Public High School and Boys College, Wahdat Colony, Tex Club. Students, today we will cover first year at Harrow question answers. Question number 1 is, who is the writer of first year at Harrow? Sir Winston Churchill is the author of the essay First Year at Harrow. Second question is, the writer says that the examiners ask the questions which students cannot answer and not those which they can answer. Is the complaint just? Answer is, to some extent this complaint is true, but mostly it does not happen. It is the complaint of dull students. The hard working can answer any question asked in the exam. Question number 3 is, what sort of question is asked by your examiners? Our examiners ask easy as well as difficult questions in the examinations. They ask such questions which can distinguish a diligent student from an ordinary one. Question number 4 is, why did not Churchill do well in examinations? Answer is, he liked poetry and essay writing, but the examiners were interested in Latin and mathematics. He did not know the answers of the questions, so he could not do well in the examination. Question number 5 is, he did his Latin paper badly. How did he do his Latin paper? He did his Latin paper badly. He just wrote his name question 1 and after much reflection put a bracket around it, thus as one around bracket. Then unknowingly he put a blot and many smudges on the paper. Question number 6 is, Churchill was taught English at Harrow and not Latin and Greek. Was it a gain or a loss? Answer is, Churchill was taught English at Harrow and not Latin and Greek. It was a gain for him. This knowledge proved very useful for him in future to earn his livelihood and a promising career. Question number 7 is, what good did his 3-year stay at Harrow do him? Answer is, his 3-year stay at Harrow was very important for Churchill. Here he learned the basic rules of English. This knowledge proved very useful to him in future to earn his livelihood and a promising career. Number 8 is, in after years, how did the knowledge of English stand him in good stead? In after years, the knowledge of English proved very useful for him in his practical life. By knowing his national language, he faced no difficulty in the daily affairs of life. He became a successful politician. Question number 9 is, what happened to boys who had learned Latin and Greek? Those boys who had learned Latin and Greek and had won many prizes, they had to learn English again to earn their livelihood. Question number 10 is, what is Churchill's advice regarding learning English? His advice is that all English boys should learn English first. They should get it into their bones. Later on, clever ones may learn Latin as an honor and Greek as a treat. Question number 11 is, who was Mr. Weldon? Mr. Weldon was the head of Harrow. He was an intelligent man. He judged the hidden qualities in Churchill and granted him admission. Churchill had great regards for him. Question number 12 is, who was Mr. Somerville and how did he teach English? Answer is, Mr. Somerville was a delightful teacher of English at Harrow. He had his own method of teaching. He taught English by means of red, blue, black and green inks. Thank you.